Pronouns. Pronouns are the words used instead of a noun. The words I, you, we, they, he, she, and it can be used instead of a noun. Pronoun is a word that can be used instead of the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. Words which can be used instead of the name of a person are I, we, you, they, he, and she. Places cannot be categorized under any gender form, so the word it can be used to replace the name of places. If you know the gender of an animal, you can use the word he, she, or else you can replace the name of the animal using the words it and they. There are thousands of things around us, and they all belong to the neuter gender, which is the fourth gender form. So here we can use the word it to replace the name of anything. Let us read short sentences and identify pronouns in them. I am a good girl. You are so funny. You. We are friends. We. They are going to school. They. He is a boy. He. She is a girl. She. It is my pet. It. Let us revise all the pronouns once again. I, you, we, they, he, she, and it. Try to make your own sentences using these words. Now let us do a small activity. Fill in the blanks using pronouns. They, you, we, it, she, and he. Ram and Raju are my friends. Dash are playing football. I have an elder brother. Dash is very kind. Rita is sleeping. Dash is not feeling well. I have a dog. Dash is white in color. Hitesh and I like to swim. Dash go to the pool every Sunday. Dash are a good girl. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.